The National Weather Service of Lockwood Hills has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Bucks County, Taipei County, Moss County, until 9:45 p.m. At 4:35 p.m., Doppler radar detected a severe thunderstorm capable of raining blood and winds up to 45 miles per hour. This is a radar-indicated supernatural threat. Bucks County Police Department has directory services for residents of Grover City, Groovington, Jackson Crossing, Lockwood Hills, and Willow Creek towards U.S. Route 206 southbound. Stay tuned to local media sources such as local television, radio, and CB radio until given further instructions or until the all-clear signal is given. Further information can be obtained by dialing 555. Repeating, the National Weather Service of Lockwood Hills has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Bucks County, Taipei County, Moss County, until 9:45 p.m.